Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral code on the Taco Bell app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your referral code. Maybe you want to go ahead and refer some friends and family members. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, click on Rewards on the bottom middle hand side. Afterwards, click on Refer Friends on the right hand side. So this is where you can either show your QR code or copy your referral link and send it to your friends and earn rewards. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral code on the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.